Welcome to Pontardawe College. My name is Cadwch, I'm the college manager. I'm now going to explain to you a few changes we have made for your safety whilst attending college. There are various hand sanitizer dispensers located around the college for your use. Screens are at reception areas to protect reception staff, visitors and students. Students will not be required to sign in. Your attendance will be recorded on your class register. It is very important for the safety of yourself and others that all students vacate the college site immediately after your timetable session and do not linger on the college premises. Various hallway systems have been put into place throughout the college to minimise passing traffic. 2 metre signs are visible throughout the college, reminding you to keep a safe distance at all times. Bilingual signage can be found in various locations, providing information on how to help reduce transmission. It is important that you stay with students that you have been bubbled with, and unfortunately there is no seating in any communal areas. If you require any information on transport, please contact our student services team who will be more than happy to help. A booklet has been produced covering everything I have mentioned in this short presentation and is available to students on the Moodle system. There is no need to be concerned, as there is plenty of help and advice at hand. I can assure you that your safety is our #1 priority. I look forward to seeing you all soon. Thank you.